Welcome back, Crafting Spirit Boosters. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Improvised Arts and Crafts. Hey, welcome back to the channel, Crafting Spirit Boosters. It's Miss Janita. Happy Easter. Hope that it brings you guys love, peace, and happiness on that day with all the festivities. Well, today I'm sharing with you a small Easter, well, not Easter. Well, some of the articles I got are Easter category rise, but it's just a haul, and I got it. There's the thing sitting on top of my 5-tier tray. 5-tier tray. Is that how this go? Miss Janita is tripping today. But anyway, these are the things I purchased. I got 3 of these little, what do you call them? Pails, Easter pails, categorized for Easter. But I'm sure anything can go in them. Like I just set some flowers that I bought from Dollar Tree in there. Beautiful flowers. This is a blue pail with a white pink bunny on it. And then I got 3 of them. This one is yellow with carrots, and the other one is purple with a duck on it. Or is it a chicken? Probably a chicken. And I also see the things that this pail is sitting on. These are called pallets. I got 4 of these pallets to make it. You be using it for like a riser on my tier tray. Can't wait to put together some things to make it look cute. Decorative tier tray. So yeah. There goes some white mahogany. The movie Mahogany Flowers. Gorgeous. I got a couple of these little signs. This one says inspire. And this one down here says imagining. I could have swore I got one that said trust, but I guess I didn't. I must have left it. The beautiful orange flowers. And I also got a couple of these easels to put on my tier tray. I don't know where my chalk is, but I know I have some. I was going to write Happy Easter on there. Just imagine it says Happy Easter. So I have 2 of these little tiny easels for decor purposes. Let me see. Is everything up here? Heck no. Let me see what else Miss Janita got down here in this bag. I got... Oh, I picked up some of these things. Let me get them situated before everything falls down. Hold on, my people. My peeps. My Crafting Spirit Boosters. I got 2 of these tube confetti. They got coral blue, raspberry pink, and lime green. And I also got the same product in silver, gold, and white. And let me see, what else did I get? So don't just put everything just because it signifies something else. Doesn't mean that you can't share it in your use it for your own desire to make it be so in a different setting. You don't have to just use this bunny in this pail for Easter. It could be something that brings you joy, and you just want to express a bunny with, you know, flowers in it, or whatever you want to put in there, marshmallows, whatever. It's not only for Easter. This duck is not only for Easter. These flowers, gorgeous. It's going to be used. I'm going to decorate something with these things, but I want to express my appreciation for all of you guys. Keep on coming back and enjoying my channel. So this is my little small Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Looky-loos, passy-bys, trolleys, visitors. And how the heck did I get over here? Passy-by. Thank you so much, Crafting Spirit Boosters, for joining me for this episode. Until the next time, happy crafting!